So it turns out our dad came before us. This is the Enchanted Garden restaurant. We're gonna order some appetizers right now. Also, judging by the environment, it looks like this restaurant is themed off of Alice in Wonderland. Considering that there's a flower as a lamp on the ceiling. So the appetizer I'm having is lobster ravioli, and it looks like it's covered in sauce of some sort, and it has a spinach decorated on it. I already tried lobster ravioli before at Tortora's or something like that. It was an Italian restaurant, so I'm gonna give this one a try. Oh my. That is very good. Lobster ravioli is amazing. This is very delicious. If you go on a Disney cruise and you go to Enchanted Gardens, get lobster ravioli as the appetizer, because oh my goodness, it's delicious. Wow, look at this chicken. It's so beautiful. Can't wait to try it. Let's give it a go. Oh my. This chicken is a lot better than the tuna that I had. Yeah. I recommend the roast chicken more than the tuna if you're in this restaurant and not in the Animators Palate. That's very good. I recommend you get it. We just got the menus for the desserts, and I'm going to try the one on the bottom, the chocolate brownie sundae. I'll be back with the taste test. Wow, look at that. It even has the Enchanted Gardens thing right here. Let's give this a try. So, oh my, that is very good. It also has this churro cube, I assume, or it could be just caramel. Let's give that a try. Oh, it's peanut butter. It's peanut butter.
Very good.